Hello and welcome to the Future Electronics Sales and Marketing Conference 2019. I'm here with Sue Macedo, the Managing Director of Alliance Memory. Sue, can you explain to us what you're showcasing to our engineers and marketing people today?
We're showcasing our DRAM and SRAM products, but more specifically the 8GB DDR3.
And why is that?
Because we've now launched 8GB DDR3 with dual die package option, and we have a drop-in replacement to the Micron single die option as well. And we're also showcasing Cypress parts that we acquired from them on the 62256 SRAMs. So that we've sort of extended the life of that particular product.
So they were parts that were going obsolete with Cypress and you've bought them?
Correct. They were obsolete by Cypress, and we've bought all the remaining stock so that we can actually support the Cypress people and regards to get them to qualify the Alliance branded part instead.
So if anyone needs that memory, they need to come to Alliance?
Correct.
Perfect. Thanks, Sue.